How to lock chats on WhatsApp. So now go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And then from here, select the message conversation that you want to lock. Then tap their profile icon or their number, which will direct you to their account. So scroll down, and then from here, you will see the chat lock option. Tap this option. To enable, just tap the toggle button beside lock this chat with fingerprint. And then confirm this action via your fingerprint. Now this prompt will appear on your screen saying this chat is now locked. Now tap on view and you will see that this message conversation is now under locked chats. So to find the locked chats section, just swipe down and the lock chats option will appear from above. So to unlock, just use your fingerprint, and now you will be directed to the lock chats section. And so that is how you lock chats on WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.